Welcome to Curry TV. On this episode, we'll be having some fun with our friends here. And they're going to teach us how to make steak. I have my friend
Kurt.
And
Jennifer.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Butter poached steak.
How did you learn this? This is my first time.
This is organic, grain-fed, local beef cut, 1 inch thick. Delicious cuts.
Okay.
With real butter,
Okay.
none of that margarine junk. Real salted butter inside the bag. So
This is air vacuum.
it's vacuum sealed. Yep. So
Okay.
we keep it all in one together. So we don't need a gallon of butter. We can just use.
This does look like a gallon of butter though. Look at that. That's a lot of.
Might be 10 tablespoons
10 tablespoons
per steak, but they're good sized steaks. So, yeah.
Okay. So how do we do this? Boiling some water?
Yep. So
How much
first of all,
water?
Good cuts of meat, delicious. So about 1.5 gallons of water, just enough to cover it up.
Okay.
So,
Pop
and
them
then
in? That's
get it
it?
to boiling.
All right.
Drop it in.
That's it?
Cook for about an hour. They're 1 inch thick, so 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
And if they were thinner, a 1/2 inch thick, they could cook for 30 to 45 minutes.
Your piece of advice. You've been in the food industry, right?
I have been in the food industry.
So how did you give us a little bit about that?
Honestly, this is the first time I've seen steak done this way, so we will see how this turns out. Normally I'm a grill / broil /
Yeah.
saute
Okay.
type, but
It's cold outside.
yeah.
So this is a
outside.
very good
This is
approach.
a winter.
Right.
It's a winter steak.
Uh-huh.
My piece of advice: good wine.
With yes. Any
Especially
any
if the steak doesn't
preference?
turn out.
Yes, big wine.
Big one.
Yeah,
What
the
is
steak is going to be really delicious and decadent with the butter. So something in a cab.
Definitely.
Merlot would be okay.
okay?
A Petit Verdot.
Okay.
Yeah. Some big reds.
Okay.
Zinfandel.
Zinfandel. Oh, yeah.
An old vine side.
Yes. That's a killer here. So it's time to check.
It's time to check.
All right, go for
I
it.
think checking is over. I think we're done.
I think
You're
done.
done?
I think we're gonna pull them out.
Pull them out.
Ooh, that is hot.
Woo. Do we need to let them rest?
We'll need to open them up and let
Okay.
them rest outside of the
The boiling butter.
Yeah, the butter solution.
Okay.
So. We'll
So
pour
we
them out of the
kept them in there for 1 hour.
water. 45 minutes we ended up.
40
cooking them.
minutes,
Yeah,
okay.
45 minutes we checked them. Yeah.
Okay.
So looking delicious.
All right.
Now
All
it
right,
would have
bud.
been fine because the temperature isn't like a grill where it's like direct heat.
Right.
So.
What do we know down?
You got like a half-hour
Window?
window of
Okay.
anywhere within there as long as they're cooked enough. But these are definitely
We already
on the
checked
medium
one.
rare. Yes.
Medium
we
rare?
checked one, yeah.
Okay.
So,
And
sweet.
dig in. What are we gonna serve this with?
What are we gonna serve this with?
Yes. What do you usually serve it with?
Oh, mashed potatoes and vegetables.
Voila! Blah 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 ding dong. Blah 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 ding dong.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's open these up.
All right.
Got you want this?
Yeah. Do you want scissors? Yeah.
Scissors or not?
Go for it. Faster. This one. Okay. Fine. Go for it. What do we want do with the excess fat?
The excess fat, we freeze it and throw it away.
Okay.
That way it doesn't go down. in
Oh
your
look, it has a pattern
sink. From the bag.
from the bag. Yes. Okay. You want to use the tongs to pull it out? Good job. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You're holding on the fat. Yikes. Well, okay.
The fat gives it the delicious flavor.
Okay.
Yes.
No questions asked.
Put a little fat on the side.
And the bones. I mean, the bone in gives it some delicious flavor.
Mm-hmm. Where did you say you got this from?
This was from the Flying F Ranch.
Flying F Ranch?
Yes, sirree, in Vancouver, Washington.
Oh. Okay. Can anybody go there and buy them?
Nope.
Oh,
No, they are
private owned company?
they're a private ranch that they only do about 5 cows a year.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You got connections.
I have.
Hook us up, please. Yeah? You can you can let them know that we did all this for them?
Oh, yes.
Yeah? All right. Now, how do we check?
How do we check?
Yes. We got to know if it's, well, maybe you guys can tell. How do you
Yeah.
tell if it's medium rare or rare or?
Sometimes you can just feel it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Nice cooked all the way through.
Uh-huh.
These are
Smack that.
medium.
Was it medium?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice.
Who's got the fork?
You do.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, you do.
Nice.
You do. Chef, do the honors, please.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Well up in there?
Mm-hmm.
Everything? Salt?
Needs a little seasoning.
Yeah?
I'd cut it up into bite-sized chunks. That way you don't have to put knives on the table.
Right?
Oh, it's just ready to dish.
All right, we'll show you how we platter. Yeah? You might want to let us know what you just did there.
Oh, yeah?
You cut up all into small bite-sized pieces, and then
Are we
you
ready?
put salt. Yes, we are. We're rolling.
We're on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to slice my steak up because that looks like steak to me.
Okay.
That way we don't have to put steak knives at the table and worry about trying to cut up little pieces. Nice
Getting it
little
on
bite-sized
the
pieces.
other person's
Oh,
shirt.
yeah. All over. For sure. Plus the juices, after it rests, so usually when you cook steak and you let it rest, let the juices soak back in. Also, you can cut it against the grain.
Okay.
So make sure that, so when
What
you
does that
bite-
mean? We may be somewhat ignorant in that side. Cutting against
So
the
when the
grains?
grain is going crossways,
Uh-huh.
so that there's long grains,
Mhm.
so when you like put a fork in it, it likes to split in one direction. Cut it long ways across that, so that when you put your fork in it and stick it in your mouth, it melts in your mouth and falls apart.
All right, and then you put
If you
some
need me to
sea
show you that
salt.
again, I will.
No. Hold on.
Oh, no.
We are here.
I don't know what you're talking about. So
So
we put a little bit of the juice back onto it,
right,
and then we
you put some sea salt.
put some sea salt
Why
and
sea
rotate
salt?
it. Well, sea salt's the delicious salt,
Okay, right,
so
fine.
it's not too salty too. Like a kosher salt doesn't have as much potency.
Right.
So, but the sea salt is nice and coarse,
Uh-huh.
so it really hits your taste bud.
Okay, and
Really
you
good.
usually serve it with mashed potatoes
Or baked potato
or baked potato and
Yeah.
some veggies.
and some sautéed veggies, but usually I would do steak with sautéed veggies. But
Okay.
since we're cooking on the stove, these were done on the wok.
Yes, it was.
Nice.
Okay.
So
Let me know how it turned out for that.
they were delicious.
Thank you.
Hmm. What kind of seasoning did you put on the veggies?
Butter, salt, and pepper.
That's it?
That's it.
It's amazing how that stuff doesn't take very much. It can be very simple.
Yes.
So
Very,
Yeah.
very, very epic. Oh, your timer is going off.
Oh.
1 hour.
I guess it's done.
It's done. It's done. It's time to dig in. Yeah?
Right there.
Ready? Which one do you want?
I guess I'll take this.
I'll take this one. I'll go for this one.
She's going for the big one.
Oh, yeah.
Mm,
I like
okay.
carrots. Ready? 1, 2.
Mm.
Oh, it's yummy.
Not bad for steak, huh?
I feel the difference in the beef.
Mhm.
The beef is like nice and juicy, and that butter just really kicks it in.
Mm.
With that, I see what you mean by not using margarine or
Yeah.
that wouldn't be so nice and translucent with this recipe, I guess.
Yeah, just the butter flavor is just more
Mhm.
crisp than like a rendered fat.
Right,
Would probably be
Richer.
richer.
I'm not
and
sure if richer is the word I would use.
Better flavor.
Butter certainly has a better flavor,
Mhm.
and then
A
compared to
nice
like margarine doesn't
smooth
melt
texture,
and
yeah?
penetrate as much.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. So that's great. We have mashed potatoes, sauteed vegetables, and some chicken wings. So I hope it's party time here. And wine?
It's party time.
It is party
Yes.
time. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. He's having more, huh?
Right?
Cheers.
cheers.
All right. Loaded. Loaded. All right. Thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. I hope you enjoyed spending time with us. See you next time. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure you'll love it too. And this is a great way to share among friends.
Yeah, you can do pork and fish.
Pork and fish,
yeah.
same thing?
Same thing, yeah.
Okay, so if you have vacuum seal,
Mm-hmm.
you can do this ahead of time.
Mm-hmm.
Prep it, keep it in
Yeah.
the freezer,
Fridge.
pop it in.
Yeah, keep it in the fridge for a week.
Okay, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Till next time. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, right? Like, share.
Yes.
Yes. All that. And I want to thank Kurt for bringing these nice steaks. And I want to thank you for joining us in filling the bubbles here. Yeah. We had a great time.
I'm
We've
okay with being the taste tester.
It's been great. It's been a fun night. We should do this more often.
We should do this more often.
More often. And I had see you make a lot of spaghettis. Maybe you can give us a little bit of tips on that.
She's part Italian.
Next time.
Next time, yeah, on spaghetti night.
Start with fresh tomatoes.
Oh, okay.
It's an 8-hour deal.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. He told us in it. You are making it. We'll see you next time. All right? Thank you. Bye-bye.